Hey everybody, welcome back to this 4-season edition. Getting this main wall taken out where this patio door was. We're going to replace it with a longer, wider header. Getting the spray foam in, as you can see. So I'm going to walk you through this whole entire video of us getting this wall completely taken out, the electrical rerouted. We got this stub wall in to support the ceiling structure. And we're going to take this these two existing headers, one where the window was and one where the patio door was, and just make this one whole entire opening. And so there's a lot of work that goes into that, because we're literally trying to hold up a supporting wall. But get all the framing going in, getting all the flashing done on the windows, getting ready to put all of the windows in. And as you'll see later in this video, the soffit's going to be going up. We started working on siding, but got it opened up. There's 2 LVLs, 11/7/8. Made this one entire opening, all the way opened into this whole entire brand new room. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow along throughout this whole entire video. In the previous videos, you'll see how we put the walls up. We got the decking down. There's videos where we got the foundation completed. And all the way through this job, I've posted shorts and reels and TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all the way throughout. So follow along. This is one of the coolest parts of the job, is watching the spray foam go on. They put a airtight barrier all the way around this whole entire 4-season room, and that's the only way I do sunrooms, is spray foam everything, keep everything airtight. Foam's down, it's time for drywall. We got everything all the way up the stairs and into the room, and start to set it in, get everything cut out, and it's going up nicely. You'll see here in a couple seconds putting the knockdown texture on everywhere. And then the homeowner came along and put on the shiplap over what we did there. But I'm using a Mach 5 texture sprayer, and it shoots it up there with high pressure air, and then we knock it down with a trowel, and that's about the fastest way to put it up there.
Like. We got her done though. Got a knockdown texture all the way throughout the whole entire addition here, and paint's next. pretty sweet.